Today we're going to change out the headlights on my Bronco. Yes, I bought another Bronco. We'll totally get into that in another video. But we're going to change these out to the signature ones. Are they plug and play? Let's find out. So I found a brand new set of signature headlights off eBay. So let's check these out. There they are. Brand new set of Ford signature headlights for the Bronco. How he got a brand new set, I don't know. Maybe they were takeoffs, but they're brand new. Yep. There they are. Let's get started. So first you open your hood, of course. Then you got to get these little push things out, which you just slide in between them, and they should just pop up like so. And then you get this out like that, you know, like that. Don't be like me. That one fell somewhere, but we'll get it after. I gotta take this off. So there's like 13 of those you gotta pull off first. So let me do that. I need 2 hands. Now after you carefully extracted all those little push pins, this should just come out like this. I don't think I was supposed to be as rough as that, but whatever. It's out. This snaps back in. We good. Now the next bolts you gotta take off for the grill are right here. Do not take those off. These are these right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 millimeter. Give me a minute and I'll get those off. Once all 4 of those are out, this should just pop right out. But I want to use 2 hands. Okay. Oh, there you go. Like that. It should just pop off. So give me a second. Once you work your way around the top, pulling it with 2 hands, work your way along the bottom. And carefully place your grill to the side. Now let's get started on the next part. Now we need to take this piece and pull this out. So you come around here and you'll see we have these little levers on our fender flares. We pull them down like so. Just give them a little turn, okay, just like that. And then we, all right, I need 2 hands. Yeah. Turn it all the way, not halfway, and then it pulls out very nicely. And then there's a little 8 millimeter bolt right there. See it? It's right there. 8 millimeter. We got to take that off. So I need 2 hands. So once you get that little 8 millimeter bolt out, you pull this down. It's so you can get to that bolt there for the headlight. Now we're going to remove these headlight bolts. I think there's one here, one there with a little push clip. So I'm going to need 2 hands. I do believe, is this one 8 millimeter? No. So these should be all 10 millimeter right here. I need 2 hands. I'll be right back. Okay, so correction. This down here is an 8 millimeter. Now I'd have more room, but I have the lights here. So, I mean, I don't want to pull it totally off, but I used one of these to get it off, which is okay. And then don't forget that this is a push pin up here that I gotta pull out. So give me a minute. Need 2 hands. Need 2 hands. Okay, once you remove all the bolts, and this little push pin was probably the worst part of this whole job. Okay, I'm gonna let you know right now that was a nightmare to get out. I actually had to get a set of vice grips, and I had to talk to it, but I got it out. So next, this should just come right out like this. I need 2 hands. Be right back. Once you pull the headlight, just give it a quick yank. It has a little snap thing right there. There's a little clip back there you got to undo. So you just got to press it and undo it. I'll be right back. I need 2 hands. So once you just unhook that clip, you just push it in and pull it and it comes out. You take out your old one and you get ready to put in a new one. The plug should be exactly the same. Be right back. I need 2 hands. Okay, the new headlight is in, plugged in. I'm not going to button it up yet because we need to see if it works. Now, there's a big controversy with this online. We are going to prove whether this needs to go to Ford to get it forescanned in order for this to work. A lot of people say you don't have to. It's plug and play. We're going to find out right now. Be right back. Need 2 hands. Ladies and gentlemen, you do not need to take it to Ford to get it forescanned. It is obviously plug and play. There's the old headlight. Here's the new one. Plugged it right in, and she worked. Now to do the other side. Testing the turn signal. That works. Awesome. And make sure you do the same thing on this side, you know, with the fender, so you can get that little 8 millimeter bolt. Do not put it back together on that side. Leave it open so you can pull this out. All right. I need 2 hands, beer pack. Okay, they're both in. They both work. There we go. Nice. Now I got to put all this back together. Beer pack. Need 2 hands. All right, there you have it. She's all buttoned back up. I just got to close the hood. Give me a minute. I need 2 hands. All right, that's the finished product. There you go. And these are Ford OEM. These are not aftermarket. These are Ford OEM signature headlights. Love it. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to do the taillights next. Those are aftermarket, but still, stay tuned. Oh, and I know I got a new Bronco and I didn't talk about it, but we'll talk about that in another video. Anyway, again, peace and love. Bye.